and then forget,
but ban buri
and then try to hide.
udang mud amdan mano batim ya ka e ka baulale
He thought that no one will know about that.
ula bersang sibun kibun
And then he tried to plant different kinds of
kinamtik
so that people will not know about this.
hamre ublei bai najro
But God has seen everything.
upa ya prophet
Nathan
ban lek ha ka yin David
to go to David's house
ban pen pau ban pen pau ban snem ya ka e ka baulale
so that Nathan can teach him about what he has done.
ban la pen maru ya ka jin bishar ka jomblei
And then to remind him about God's judgment.
kani kalapan sirkei ya usin David
And then this really made David to
ulas ngau tu
and then he understood,
ulas ngau si
and then he feel hard.
ka ula perkat bakalong kabomla ban buri na ublei
About the things that he tried to hide from God.
ulang ula ka